advice to do some research. And of course, prepare all the logistics like house. First, think about first week of the stay, and save some money for deposit and the rent of the house.
We can both pay for the accommodation and the food subsistence sort of thing, and also manage to put something aside. So that's excellent from our perspective.
I think it was a great benefit for me that I could come with all my family from the first day, because I could feel much more confident, and it was not so hard for me to change the place of living, because the home for us is where we are with a family, so it was actually, I think, very good solution.
There are differences between the UK and other European countries I've lived in, but certainly with Portugal. I guess the main difference, if you want one in particular, is the cost of coffee, which is extreme. I think coffee here costs 5 or 6, 10 times more than it would in Portugal, and people are compulsory coffee drinkers back home. But in general, the cost of living is a bit higher, especially housing, I'd say.
I've met quite a few people, and we've gone out for pints. This is something I really like about the UK, the post-work pint.
Yeah, well, I can tell you something that surprised me the first time I was here, is probably how much people like beer. And I don't mean in an excessive way, I mean people really like beer in a cultural sense. And I remember when my partner, who's from Sheffield, was at a dinner party with me in Porto, and somebody said, oh, you know, beer in England, it's not really that good, is it? And she was completely outraged.